Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we will draw and paint and color a capital W. Do you know W is for window? Now let's start drawing together. First draw a slant line. Little curve from bottom. Another curved line going up. Again draw a line going down. Small curve. Again draw a line going up. This is W. This is capital W. Now let's draw small w. W. This is small w. W is for window. Now let's start draw window. Draw small square. Draw vertical lines. Vertically and horizontally. Draw curves. On right. Draw curves. On left. Draw a line. This is our window. Now write word window. W I N D O W. Window. Well done kids. Our drawing is ready. Now let's start coloring. W is blue. This is blue color. Kids, this is blue color. This is blue color. This is capital W. Kids, this is capital W. W. This is W. Now let's color small w. This is small w. Kids, this is small w. W is for window. The sound of W is w, w, window. W is for window. W. This is small w. This is small w. Well done, kids. This is green color. Kids, this is green color. This is yellow color. Kids, this is yellow color. This is orange color. Kids, this is orange color. This is window. W is for window. Window. W is for window. W is for window. This is red color. Kids, this is red color. W is for window. Window. W is for window. This is pink color. Kids, this is pink color. This is pink color. This is pink color. Well done, kids. In the word window, we will use yellow color. The word window is W I N D O W. Window. W is for window. Well done, kids. Our capital W and small w drawing is ready. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next time.